Hello class, in this video we'll spawn object. As you can see that if I hit EK on the top of the monster, it generates a sphere. I can also net it to spawn other object, for example lantern, or maybe even net it generate characters, right? And as you can see that the object generated, it disappears in a specific time, and also I can change the time. I can add the object to stay there forever, or let it to appear in a longer time. Okay, so let's see how we can do that. Okay, so here in the scene, I'll go to game object and create an empty, and we'll use this point to spawn object. So we can rename it as object spawn point, and on this object we'll apply a script. Okay, a spawn script, and this is how it looks like. So here you can just do add component and use script, and you can name it spawn, and then you will type the script as showing. Alright, once you're done, it will be like this. So here the spawn object is the object we would like to generate in the scene. So let's just create a 3D object, a cube. Okay, and we would like to generate this cube, and I can give it a texture. Okay, for example, here I already created a lot of monster texture. Let's say if I want to generate this one, and we can rename it as monster maybe, and we can give it a ringing body so it has gravity, and we can also apply the follow AI script that we created earlier, and let this be the new enemy to chase our main character, right? So for my transform, it will be itself, and for target, it will be our first-person controller. So we'll generate this object, right? And you can create a prefab folder, and then you can bring this object into the prefab folder, so it will be a prefab. All right, so now we've done with that, we can delete since we already stored it here. Now let's go to the object spawn point. Okay, and here at spawn object, we can just bring the object in, and let's test the play. And when you open the game, there's nothing, right? However, if you hit EK, see, it will generate the monster, and you will look for the first-person controller. So that is because here we put a update. So in the beginning, there's nothing happen. So we have to update. And what to update is, if you press the EK down, and then the function will happen, which is clone the object, the spawn object. And then you will destroy that clone object in 3 seconds. And if you want it to stay longer, you can put 5 or 6, right? Or if you want to let it stay forever, and you can just delete this line of code. And we can also attach this point onto our monster. Okay, so put it in this rough position, and put it under the enemy folder, so it will move with the enemy. And you can see that the enemy moved towards me, and if I put EK on the top of it, it will generate the new monster. Okay, so this is how you would spawn object.